Good morning, here with Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. We're here today in Sarnia, Ontario. We're doing a flat roof. You can see behind me, it's a trailer home, and what it is, there's an addition to it. And we've done many of these in the past. Many times they leak at the connection point. So right now it's a metal pan roof. We're gonna clean it, dry it, get it ready to go, prime it. We're only gonna put a 2-ply system on. The metal is in good shape. We're just keeping it from rusting and deteriorating further. So we'll take you up top, show you what it looks like. Okay, welcome up top the roof. We've come up top. You can see there, the rusting has begun. So this is a metal pan roof. It's about 4 inches below the existing shingle roof here. So it's a drop down metal pan roof. We're gonna dry it, get it ready, and prime and clean it. So we're trying to stop the rust. We're trying to inhibit the rust and stop it, and at least give it a new membrane on the top so it doesn't create pinholes and leak into the property. So we're gonna clean it. I'll show you what it looks like when we prime it. We're gonna put 2-ply modified bitumen membrane, new metal flashing around the end, and we show you what it looks like. Thanks a lot. Okay, so we are now priming the metal. So that's gonna give it an adhesion. It's basically a glue. So to put the base sheet on, you don't want to put it on dry. You want to prime it with that primer and then roll it on, and it's ready. Give it a bit of time for it to flash, let the solvents work, and then we're going to put a base sheet on. It's a peel and stick base sheet, so there's no flames and no torches coming to this property. Show you what it looks like. Okay, welcome back. You can see behind me we finished putting on the base sheet. So you saw the metal pans. The thing about the metal pans, they're only about 4 feet wide, so there was a seam in each one. Now we have a monolithic layer. Once it all adheres to each other, it's one full sheet. So that's a great thing about flat roofing systems on a flat roof. Metal is tough on a flat roof because it's multiple panels with caulking and seams between. So anyway, base sheets down. We got to put drip flashing around the outside, and then we have prime it, cap sheet, weld. We got a wall detail we got to show, and we'll show you what it looks like. We're well on our way. See you soon. Okay, welcome back. We're just welding. We're just fusing the base sheet. We're fusing the top and bottom cap sheets together. So we're just using a Leister gun. It's a lot safer than torching the membrane in a residential situation. We've also applied all sand to that wall detail. And that's just going to keep it watertight in the winter when we have the buildup of snow and ice there and a big thaw. We're not going to get water in the side. So we got finished welding this. We're going to put a wall flashing detail there, and we're done. We'll show you what it looks like when we come back. Thanks. Okay, welcome back. Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We finished the job. Job turned out great. I'm sure the client's gonna be thrilled. Just in time. Clouds are starting to roll on in. So, Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. Hope you liked it. Hope you learned something. If you're in the southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.